I'm Dr. Nick Anastasio, and I'm a physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist. I function within the sports medicine department as well as the orthopedic and joint replacement department to provide non-surgical care for patients that have orthopedic needs. Using the various tools that I have in my tool belt with nerve tests and with ultrasound, I can really hone down on what is the root cause of this illness and address that so that we can prevent it from ever coming back again. I have a lot of experience working with running athletes from the high school to the collegiate to the professional level. I'm a runner myself. I'm out there on the roads throughout the week and on the weekends. I understand the needs of runners. I understand the desire to stay on the road and not be told, hey, you just can't run. And I'll be the last doctor to tell you that. I really enjoy working for a hospital like Mercy that has such a focus on providing care to those in need. The most rewarding thing in the world is when a patient comes in and says, thank you, doctor, I've had this issue for 2 or 3 years. I felt like I didn't have any options. And the simple treatments that we did in the office here, non-surgically, gave me my life back.